अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद नदीम है। कबाब प्लेटर एंड बर्गर से हमने लॉन्च किया था क्रेजी कबाब रोल्स इन 2019 इन पीक ऑफ पेंडेमिक। Since that we are crazy busy and people love it in the whole island and New York is crazy about our crazy kebab. And today we have a 5th annual food festival at Nassau Community College, and we have a stall here, and we're making a live crazy kebab here, and alhamdulillah we're doing so great. Hamara crazy kebab, alhamdulillah we couldn't even keep up with it. We've been going crazy. Whatever we have it, we just keep running out. And this is original. We are the owner of Crazy Kabab. We win the award of Crazy Kabab, the Halal Guide, the last 2021, yes, the popular dish of the New York. And since that, our Crazy Kabab is really going crazy. हमारी प्राइस ओरिजिनल प्राइस है 499. That's the one we started. We didn't raise the price for that item. Everything else has gone up. Even the price of cost is gone up, but we didn't change the price. Chicken का बनाते हैं crazy. We also have a crazy tikka bite, but we're not doing today. But we do it at the restaurant or our site. These two items is outstanding. We couldn't keep up in the stores. It's not only driving the whole New York a crazy. Is driving us crazy as well, but the good ways. And as you can see, it is a line. People are lined up here, and we have 2 tandoors going on, and we couldn't keep up with it. And we tandoor में we bake करते हैं. नहीं, crazy कबाब को इस कबाब बनाते हैं, फिर उसके ऊपर the non layers, non bread. उसके तंदूर पे they combine, we cook it combined together, both of them, kebab and naan bread on top of it, and it's nice and neat. It's a unique item. You can eat it while you're driving. It's not messy like the other kebab rolls, and especially the kids love it with the white sauce, and even the family for it's all good. I'm sorry, I got the smoke coming on my eyes. That's why. And it's really nice. You should guys try it. We located in 297 Bayshore Road, Deer Park, New York.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.